Hello, everyone. Welcome to the session Toppers Talk. And today we have Nandini Arora, who just a couple of hours ago got the results for IIM Rohtak, and she has secured a seat for herself for the IPM program at IIM Rohtak, the Integrated Program in Management. Many congratulations, Nandini. That's a wonderful news, actually. How is the feeling right now?
I'm feeling really good actually. I was not expecting the result today, so it was like really spontaneous for me.
Okay, so but that spontaneity is actually good, isn't it?
Yes, sir. That's the main part of being really surprised.
Okay, so while we'll talk about your journey of your preparation, how did you prepare for these entrances, which all entrances you wrote, my first question rather is what was that aspect which helped you decide that, okay, management is the career for me? This is something which I'm going to take up forward actually. So, what was the reason behind that?
Sir, I was the part of the cultural committee in my school. So I managed various events. And when I was individually given an event to manage, I realized that I can be a good manager. And after that, my sister also helped me deciding that this can be the course that I can pursue and get the good, secure a good job.
Okay, so because you had a previous exposure in your school, you did something, and that is the time you felt that. So everybody has that realization point actually. So you realize that this is the career for me because you did something in your school.
Yes, sir.
You had a commerce stream in your class 12th actually. So by any chance, at any point of time, did you thought of any other career choices? Because the majority of students think about CA and some other choices as well. So did it ever occur to you?
So CA was out of my mind because many of my cousins were doing CA. So I have seen them and I was like, there are many CAs in the family, so I don't want to be a CA now.
Okay, so you wanted to do something different actually.
Yeah,
So,
something different.
this one. You started your preparation journey in class 12th, and that's a very important phase of one's life actually, and a difficult one as well. So you know how it is difficult to manage boards preparation as well as your entrance exam preparation. So what was your journey all about? How did you start? How did you prepare? How did you manage your time?
So initially, I saw the videos and the class sheets that were given. I solved them throughout the week and took the problems the other weekend. But after the postponement news came, I was really shifted towards the IPM only. I didn't think of the boards because I knew somewhere that it can be cancelled. So I just shifted to IPM preparation and I did it all through. I gave mocks. I started mocks after the postponement news only, and I gave mocks every week.
Okay, so now that you have talked about boards, how crucial are the mocks? How it is important to write the mocks? What do you do with the mocks actually? So, what sort of was it only taking the test or doing some analysis as well?
So, without taking analysis, mocks, giving mocks is of no benefit, I think, because if you don't know your weak points and you don't work on them, that there is no benefit of taking the mocks, giving 2 to 3 hours to it. It's of no use. So, first you give the mock, then you analyze it, your weak points, your strong points, and then you take up the chapters and the basics of that weaker area, weaker sections of yours.
Okay, so that helped you understand which is my weak area, which is my area of strength. So once you realize that, okay, these are the topics maybe I'm not good at. So what was your plan to overcome them? What was the plan to overcome that problem?
So, firstly, I was sticking to basics. First, I did the easy questions, and then the CL material helped me a lot. After that, if I got time to do something more, I took the online questions as well.
Okay. So the ones which are there on the aspiration account, so you took those topic tests and all actually. So while boards got cancelled, the information came quite late, but I'm sure you were really into the boards preparation as well, at least for the first half of your class 12th actually.
Yes, sir.
So when you started your preparation, at least for the first 6, 7 months, what was the schedule all about actually? So how many hours for boards, how many hours for your entrance preparations? How did you used to manage that?
So initially, I was inclined towards boards because I wanted to secure a good percentage. So just the weekend classes and the homework that the teachers gave us, and 1 to 2 hours of self study, like the reading comprehension and all vocabulary part.
Okay. This exam does not have GK in particular, if you talk about the IPM entrances, but all faculty members talk about the importance of GK actually. Did you really prepare for GK?
Actually, no.
Okay.
I started doing it after just when the interview news came that the interview is being held. Then I started reading the newspapers and just catching up with the current affairs that were going on.
Okay. So, what was the interview all about? Did it scare you at any point of time?
I was a bit nervous, sir, because it was my first interview, but the interviewers were very friendly and they just calmed me down, and it was a normal conversation.
That's how the IPM interviews are actually. So year after year, we have that feedback. So if you talk about any interview at this particular stage, when you are just after class 12, I think that's how it is actually. They make the people really comfortable. So while it's a journey of 1 year, when you realize that this is the career for me, you started your preparation, you went for the online classes throughout the year. Of course, everybody has those ups and downs in their journey. Was it true for you as well? So at some point of time, you realized that probably this is going to be a difficult game altogether?
Yes, sir. I was scared when I came to know that there are so less seats and the paper is also very difficult. So, what is going to happen? But then I realized that it's up to us, our preparation level. So, I had to give my best, and that I did.
That self-belief actually really helps. So
Yes,
once you realize that I have to do it, I think you had that belief in yourself.
yes.
I think that's a wonderful statement by you, Nandini. I think all the viewers who are watching this interview, I think they should realize that self-belief is very, very important. So that is something which you should not forget all about actually. So mathematics is one area which people are really not comfortable with. While you had commerce with mathematics, I'm sure you were comfortable. But what do you think? Is mathematics very difficult in this exam, or it can be overcome by proper planning and strategy?
Sir, it is the level of mathematics is not that difficult if you have proper planning and if you stick to a particular section. Like if you think that you are good at arithmetic, better than algebra, then you can prepare it well. And if those questions are completed, it's a strategical exam, and you have to pick the questions. So if you give the arithmetic part well, you can clear mathematics easily.
Okay, because a lot of people who actually think of IPM entrances or the BP entrances, they get scared with this subject actually, and they believe that probably because of this subject, I won't get through actually. So that is what I have come across a lot of time actually. So Nandini, while mathematics was one of the areas you were really comfortable with, what about the other two sections, the reasoning and the English? How did you work on those?
So I was good at reasoning from the beginning. So I practiced it a little bit so that I can give time to the other ones. I practiced English, like the reading comprehension, so that I can increase my speed. And I obviously did my part on the vocabulary. I practice maths because there are many parts and we have to get in touch with them after some time, because then we tend to forget it. So I put more stress on maths.
Okay. Now that you have achieved this feat actually, which is really amazing actually, and you have already been there actually now that you have completed that journey. So what is your advice for the next year aspirants or the future aspirants, how they should prepare and what are those things they should take care of?
So first of all, they have to believe in themselves. If they cannot believe in themselves, they cannot achieve it. And then mocks are the most important part. You have to give mocks from the starting because the syllabus is basic. We have done it till our 10th and it's not that difficult to do these. So if you can do mocks from the beginning, it will help you a lot. It will make you realize what are your weaker parts and you can work on them from the start only. This will also increase your speed and help you in the time management, and you will be well prepared for the exam.
In everyone's prep journey, there is always somebody who is helping you out, your friends, your family members, your teachers, actually. Anybody you would like to shout out about?
So it was my parents and my sister. My sister helped me a lot. And she made me realize that I should go for this ITM program.
Okay, wonderful. So that was really nice, Nandini, interacting with you. And I'm sure this interview of yours is going to motivate a lot of youngsters about this program. And they would definitely realize that with that self-belief, they can always crack these examination. And there are some aspects which you talked about, how they should prepare for the examination, what are those areas they should take up, and importantly, writing the mocks. Thank you so much, Nandini, for joining for this interview. And we wish you from the entire CL family, we wish you all the best. And I'm sure you come out successfully in all the other examinations once the results are announced. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.